Hello, good morning. NSN ke Canberra, January 19 de Kido Zimomi ke hepta kura laka opor de Chagali witness said in their responsibility to claim Grisha. Press conference ke longza Hukasibra Janai Dishiki. Taibra financial irregularity kura karni standing order laga hisab de abduction do hoile kurishe koise. Taibra kushige Zimomi laga nam do hoile Kido thakado jananai aru taiki thura bichi dehi Kongbura ase kwa bi janishe goshe. Business circle data laka nam do ele kids ko nahi use kuri goshe. Zimomi do ele Railway Courier Union laka president ase taibra group laka nam de railway firm laka poisa kan collect kuri gana group kange nitia do hele 18 months hui jashe goshe. Outstanding poisa do hele 40 to 50 lakhs ase goshe. Hoile bi takhan machote 30 lakhs tibule laga settle kuri she goyase. Idu laga pichi de bi civil society organizations kan Western Swimi Hukami Hoho aro Western Swimi Youth Front kan laga request hisab de poisa do hele aro reduce kurishe goi kana bi janai dishe. Taibra admit kurina gushige Zimumi laga kari de jobojuste rokaishe aro taike olabu karne window ay laga aina bi pangai dishe aro tai laga thing de tuibar dimbar bi marishe goi kana janai dishe. Dimapur Commissioner Bra Chanai Dishe ke Republic Day celebration guribo karne January 26 de Kimanta Dimapur de Tokan Khan ase 12 noon dakto hele pon thakibo kushe. Commissioner of Police babi khobo guri dishe ke Dimapur TDSC Stadium, Chimukidima Zama Kuding Stadium aro Newland Public Ground idu tinda location de 2 kilometers radius to hele red zone ase koshe. January 26 2 am ra luigena 6 pm dak idu laka area de drone kan uribule laka ijazat nai goshe. Nagaland registrations of birth and death amendment rules 2024 laka hisab de birth certificate documents toile school admission government job driving license banabole Aadhaar card voter card registration aro marriage certificate banabo karne use kuribole ase kusha. Idu laga kobodo hele H Strong Q Sangdamra chanai dishe. Registrations of Birth and Death Act 1969 do hele Indian Parliament 2023 de amend grishe aro October 1 2023 de pura country de lagu hoise. Holebi Nagaland de Nagaland registrations of birth and death amendment rules 2024 do hele Nagaland State Legislative Assembly kan ba February 28 2025 de hi pass grishe. Department Canberra Idia Pura Nagaland State de 1474 unit registration doile ase gushe. Pusti rural area khan de government teachers khan ge registration guribole laka designate kuri gana ase gushe. Idu enoi gana primary health care aro CSC khan ge bi idu laka unit doile takibo gushe. Urban area doile registration unit to hoile Directorate of Economic and Statistic de takibo aro sub district economic and statistic office de takibo gushe. Aro government hospitals kan debi registration unit to takibo goina janeshe. Advisor by inform gurishe ke department kan bra April 19 2022 de online de registration guribole labi launch gurishe goshe. Idia 1474 registration unit laka 889 do hele online brahi kuri ase goshe aro remaining units can be activate kuribole laka janai dishe. Idia date of birth to hele applicant laka email ID aro mobile number bra document do hele issue kuribole laka bi janaishe. Delhi Police Canberra Hinder State de Garijo Gora laga record opor de specific information dia laga hisab de Manipur Police Canberra coordination operation do hoile conduct kurishe goshe. Operation do hele ICIC Lombard Insurance Company laga modapra Chura Jambu aro Impal West District de Tusra State pra aha laga chuida gari ke recover kurishe goshe. Recover gora laga gari do hele concerned police station de legal procedure koribo karne karne handover kuri dishe kushe idu laga related development de crime branch Delhi police laga requisition hisab de CRPF aro Manipur police kambra accused manu ekjon Mohammad Chuma Khan 39 sal taike bi arrest kurishe kushe accused to ele alag alag serious case de wanted thagishe kushe aro interstate de gari khan chol kura laga de bi ekta key player thagishe kushe itia to ele chol kura laga gari khan ke recover kuribo karne alag alag jaga de operation do ele jai ase kushe security force kambra interstate de gari chol kura laga racket de operation kuri thaka homoy de 7 militants ke thuribole parishe kushe taikando ele Kanglaipek Community Party People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglaipek aro National Socialist Council of Nagaland NSN IM laga thagishe ko ase Manipur police kambra kushe ke NSN IM laga sabai do hele Lamhongba Kampa 29 sal ase kushe tai laga hat pra .32 pistol magazine aro 4 live round aro 2 mobile phone aro charger aro 2-wheeler gari register number nathaka bi recover kurishe kushe militants khan do ele contractor business kura manu khan government employees aro alag manu khan laga poisa khan extort kuri gana thagishe koina officials khan ba janaishe Kajar district Assam de security force kambra 39 crore laga methamphetamine tablet to ele sis kurishe kushe aro tinjon trucks peddler ke arrest kurishe koina officials kambra Wednesday din de janaishe defense spokesperson bra kushe ke drugs trafficking laga khobor ba laga hisab de Assam Rifle aro Directorate of Revenue Intelligence kan melai gena operation launch kurishe kushe operation kura laga homoy de tinjon manu ke thurishe kushe taikhan do ele National Highway 306 de 1.30 lakhs methamphetamine tablet to luigena aha laga thagishe kushe drugs laga tam do ele 39 crore thagishe kushe security force kambra accused laga hat pra Tuida dada truck aro Tuida mobile phone bi sis kurishe kushe idia investigation do hele jai ase kushe ajila khobor iman de khatam kuri di ase jidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bar subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona